come with me and I'll show you how to make this triple puff sleeve in less than 90 seconds. The basic puff sleeve, and I use an A-line dress to go with it. Mark the notches so you know where you're going to gather the sleeve on the shoulder. I used to use this elastic and sew it straight to the fabric, which was very difficult because the elastic is a lot smaller width than the fabric. And now I fold over the ends like a large hem instead of using the elastic to go along the hem. And then I now feed the elastic through, which is a much nicer, more professional finish. Make sure you measure the elastic. See what I mean? It doesn't quite fit, does it? So, way too difficult. So I found this amazing tool that was actually in my auntie's studio, so I got myself one, and just put the hook through, hook on the elastic on the end here, pull it through, voila. So much easier and way more satisfying. Make sure you back tack many times so that the elastic doesn't come out, but it's a beautiful finish. And then you can just do that 3 times in the shoulder, under the arm area, as I'm doing here. My very fast sewing. And then in the middle as well, which I don't do it quite in the middle, I do it just down for the middle just to give it a bit of a difference. Instead of just being too symmetrical, I like things to be a little bit off. And then on the other side, it's a beautiful look. See, very professional. All done together nicely. Feel free to ask any questions. Thanks for watching.